specific IT skills can set you apart dramatically in the race for top tech jobs. Welcome to Secure Cyber Mart. As technology evolves, knowing the right skills is not just helpful, it's essential. Therefore, what are the top IT skills to get hired in tech jobs? Programming languages and cloud computing are expertise required in today's IT job market. Here is a list of the top skills and resources that can help you land your dream IT job. Mastering Python can unlock immense opportunities in web development and data science projects. An excellent book for learning Python is Python Crash Course, 3rd edition, a hands-on, project-based introduction to programming. JavaScript is crucial for creating engaging user experiences on the web. Java remains a top choice for large-scale enterprise applications across various industries. JavaScript Crash Course, a hands-on, project-based introduction to programming, breaks down fundamental concepts like variables, arrays, and functions. You also need to remember that employers prioritize candidates with robust technical and essential soft skills like communication. Success in tech careers isn't limited to technical skills alone. Adaptability is vital. However, earning IT certifications will make you stand out in the crowd. Cloud computing, particularly with AWS and Azure certifications, will elevate your career prospects dramatically. AWS certification showcases your ability to design and manage applications in the cloud. Mark Wilkins, author of Learning Amazon Web Services, AWS, a hands-on guide to the fundamentals of AWS Cloud, focuses on hands-on exercises to help readers understand fundamental AWS services. Microsoft Azure is indispensable in helping businesses innovate and manage global applications efficiently. Learn Azure's storage, security, networking, and computing services with ExamRef AZ-104 Microsoft Azure Administrator Certification and beyond. Above all, however, cybersecurity is the main skill to possess if you want to land an IT job. Understanding cybersecurity essentials protects sensitive information in our digitally driven world. Knowing security protocols ensures safe communication in tech infrastructure and operations. Data protection strategies safeguard critical information against cyber threats effectively. Possessing cybersecurity skills can make you stand out during an interview for an IT role. When you land your first interview for an entry-level IT job, a helpful book to read is Hack the Cybersecurity Interview, a complete interview preparation guide for jump-starting your cybersecurity career. A business skill necessary to help you land an IT job is project management. Familiarity with Agile and Scrum methodologies can propel your project management skills forward. Having an Introduction to Agile Development and Scrum certification shows you can handle big projects, helping your career and skills. This certification will teach you skills such as DevOps principles, including CI/CD practices, enhance the speed and reliability of software delivery. Finally, gaining expertise in machine learning and AI positions you at the forefront of technological innovation. The ability to analyze large datasets with machine learning opens endless job opportunities. Understanding blockchain technology will become increasingly crucial in ensuring secure transactions. With blockchain's decentralized nature, it reshapes industries and creates new job roles. In the end, employers value candidates with a well-rounded skill set, combining both hard and soft abilities. Networking skills, teamwork, and problem-solving are equally important in today's tech environment. Hands-on experience with project management tools like Jira and Git is often essential. Mastering database management with SQL and NoSQL is critical for many tech roles today. Your journey in IT begins with continuous learning and striving to get different certifications. Highlighting practical and soft skills in your resume demonstrates your readiness for the tech world. One career tip for you is to start engaging in IT job coaching to sharpen your approach to landing your dream role. Staying ahead in tech requires not only current knowledge, but also a thirst for learning. The rapidly changing tech landscape demands a dynamic and proactive approach to career growth. Building a solid foundation of IT skills will propel you to an exciting and successful career. If you're enjoying this content, please consider supporting this channel by checking out the affiliate links below. Every purchase you make through them helps keep this channel alive and growing. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching,